So SOLIDWORKS Design is the complete 3D CAD environment that we use to create things like our parts, our assemblies, our technical drawings, and it basically goes from the beginning of our product all the way to the manufacturing of our product. So the design, as well as all of its technical drawings, and then finally the manufacturing of it. There's different levels of the program that come with different tools that can help match your needs, but in essence, your SOLIDWORKS Design is your base 3D compatibility and component modeling.
We've got 3 packages. You've got your SOLIDWORKS standard. Included with that, you can basically do your basic designs, your basic assemblies. If you want to go a bit more complex, then you would go into your SOLIDWORKS Professional. Now, included with your SOLIDWORKS Professional, you have access to PDM standard, so it helps you manage your designs. And it also gives you access to the toolbox, just making your workflow a bit quicker. Then if you want to go and validate your designs, and if you go to more complex parts and assemblies, you would want to go to SOLIDWORKS Premium. This gives you access to simulation standard and also gives you access to the routing tool as well.